We just happened to be visiting relatives in St. Pete when the Florida RV Supershow took place in the neighboring city of Tampa. We went to the show on its third day. Philippe Marcotte, the owner of the Panoramic RV company, was at the show on the first 2 days, so unfortunately we didn't get to see him there. We checked out a lot of Class B, Class C, and other RVs and spent time in the expo hall checking out RV accessories. Stick around to the end when I show you the inflatable tandem kayak we bought and how you can save hundreds of dollars if you're interested in buying one. We visited the JLF Adventures booth. We had seen the owner Janice several times at RV shows in Michigan. They offer high-quality inflatable kayaks and SUPs. We finally took the plunge and ordered an inflatable tandem kayak, as did my cousin Lori and her husband Dave. Janice said she would offer the show price to anyone who watches this video and tells her that you heard about JLF from Steve on the Panoramic Travels YouTube channel. I'll put links to the other videos in this series in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like if you do and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.